And then as you can see too, that we had noticed, this is the original stud to the house. The original stud to the house with the original drywall. So they added a spacer drywall, then a spacer piece of wood.
Hey y'all!
Hey y'all! So, welcome back to the channel. If you can't notice, what are we doing?
Bathroom renovation. Well, half of our bathroom.
Yeah, half a bathroom renovation.
Yeah.
So the girls have been asking for what, about 2 years now?
Since we moved in.
Yeah, about 2 years for a bathtub.
Because we only have showers.
Yeah, so when this house was rebuilt, because this house was built in the mid to late, 50s? 56, something like that. Well, the person that redid this house, they redid both of the bathrooms and only made showers. So they took out any bathtubs, the showers. Well, now it's finally time to redo this one. And
we need bubble baths in our lives.
Well, they do. I'm still a shower guy myself. Eventually I will have my hillbilly tub out in the backyard.
Close to our ladies' shop.
Yeah, she shed.
She shed, yeah. Oh God, art studio. That's what I was ready to say. Brain fart. See?
So yeah. So yeah, eventually when we do the art studio slash she shed. Yeah, see, I can't say it either.
Put a little porch out there, and then that's where we will.
Yeah, so I plan on doing a wood burning hot tub out there. So, but for now, we're doing this.
Yes.
So, if you want to see the first step in doing this renovation, obviously the funnest part, demo, then make sure you're following along. Give us the subscribe, thumbs up, share us out to your friends. So you're able to get the notifications of whenever we have future videos coming up, especially with this one and stuff. And we're trying to balance on the little step.
Yeah, the one that goes over the shower that used to be here. Oh, by the way, we do have a little tidbit of surprises that we found in our shower.
Yeah.
You want to show them along to one of our walls?
Yeah. So before we get started with the time lapse and stuff like that, because we're not going to go through and just show you everything, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the things that we found, and then we'll jump into the time lapse. So let's check it out.
Yay.
So we start off, so this wall here is actually going into our other restroom, so that's into the master bath. We actually found that they were breaking out some tile work. You can see we do have a little bit of a mold issue, mildew, and they come down, so we already know that our shower leaks. And as you're coming down into the water pan that they have down here, it's really dark in there. So we already know that we need to redo that. And then if you come up here and look, they added this line here. They just knocked out the sheetrock to be able to go through there, and I'm pretty sure that's going to the microwave.
Ta-da!
Alright, so next we have, so it looks like, I don't know if they were doing work from the closet on the other side of this room. That is a manila envelope that they used to patch that wall. And then as you come down here and look, that is just a piece of scrap 1/4 inch plywood that they used to cover that hole. And everything on the other side is mudded and painted, so you can actually see the mud coming through right there. And then down here, so while we have this open, those shut-off valves are in the closet. They're really hard to get to, so I'm actually going to cut that out a little better and install more of an access for that. So in the future that we need to shut the water off to this, we can do so a little easier. All right. So, but as you see, we still got to get the step out. We still got to do the bottom part out. And this wall here, we still got to trim this out some, because the tub comes out to roughly here, 32 inches. And then as you can see too, that we had noticed, this is the original stud to the house. The original stud to the house with the original drywall. So they added a spacer drywall, then a spacer piece of wood, then another drywall, and then the tile work and or drywall here. So we're actually losing out on about 2 inches worth of space in this room. So yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so now that we've shown you all those things, and those are just little small details things that we found with this house.
We haven't gotten to the floor yet.
Yeah, we haven't gotten to some of the major stuff yet that you guys will be seeing in the near future. So, for now, go ahead and check out the time lapse.
Guess what I'm doing today? I am going to start demolishing the bathroom. Yeah, so there's that, right? Okay, first things first, give it a ping, give it a ping.
Last night I seen you with him up in town. Yeah, got to thinking, girl, I'm still your clown. Tell him the only thing that he needs to know it all. Tell him I'll be right here when you call. Tell him it's over, that you changed your mind. Tell him your heart aches, you've lost it this time. Tell him the only thing that he needs to know it all. Tell him I'll be right here when you call. Tell him someone's out there waiting here for you. Tell him I'll be there. Every sky's all blue. Tell him the only thing that he needs to know it all. Tell him I'll be right here when you call. Tell me you love me. Let's go back to that night. Tell him the only thing that he needs to know it all. Tell him I'll be right here when you call. Tell him someone's out there waiting here for you. Tell him I'll be there. Every sky's all blue. Tell him the only thing that he needs to know it all. Tell him I'll be right here when you call. Tell him the only thing when you go. Last night with some old friends, we were feeling alright, telling stories that place we'd seen and all the girls that we chased in our dreams. Old Robert told us a lie about some girl he met the other night. Good friends, good whiskey, hard love, I'd do it again. Friends, good whiskey, hard love. I hope this life never ends. I remember it was about 18, we were young and wild and just chasing our dreams. 12-pack of beer, bottle of wine in my backed up to the lake all night. We watched the sunrise. That damn Robert tell some more lies. Good friends, good whiskey, hard love. I'd do it again. Good friends, good whiskey, hard love. I hope this life never ends. Still like to hang out and party these days, drinking beer with some old friends, telling stories about all the places we've been. Robert told us a lie about some girl that he met online. Good friends, good whiskey, hard love. I'd do it again. Good friends, good whiskey, hard love. I hope this life never ends. Good whiskey, hard love. That damn Robert, he's still telling lies.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that quick time lapse. And definitely hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up like I said previously. That way you're checking out the notifications for the rest of this build and many other things coming up in the near future. So until now, to be continued.